Today I want to answer the mail from the many women who ask, are there any new tips and tricks on nail care? Well, I'll answer that question this way. Yes, there are some, but there are a lot of very old tricks that many women have not tried as yet. Let me show you some of them. Here's one that you can use when you break a nail and want to save it. First, cover the nail with polish, but leave a slight margin at the sides and around the base of the nail. Then, while the polish is still wet, press a small piece of tissue over the nail and into the wet polish like this. When you're absolutely sure that the polish and the tissue are thoroughly dry and set, just put your finger into a glass of water and wash away the excess tissue that is not sealed to the nail. This will not only eliminate cutting the tissue, but it will leave a feather edge that will seem to dissolve and disappear as you apply your polish. If it needs more strength, apply another layer of tissue. Then to further strengthen it, you must always apply at least 5 or 6 coats of polish. Remember this trick the next time you break a nail and want to save it. If you want to prevent your nail polish from running into and over the cuticle edge of your nails, you must get rid of the excess polish on the brush by applying the first stroke of polish down the center of the nail. This will enable you to cut a clean line around the nail, which in turn will save you a lot of messy cleanup time. Here's a simple but valuable tip to help prevent your nail polish from chipping. All you need do is to make it a habit when applying your polish to wipe the polish off the tip of your nail while it's still wet with a tissue. Now, if you're in a hurry and need to set and firm your polish, just put your fingers into a bowl of ice water for a minute or two. You can eliminate a lot of that nicotine stain on your fingers if you'll just remember to hold that cigarette straight up so that the smoke does not flow through your fingers like this. Remember, hold it up. Now, at the start of today's program, you saw this pair of hands. This one has the nails bitten off to the quick. The other belongs to the same person, but we've applied a set of false nails. After each nail has been trimmed to fit, put a spot of glue on your own nail. Then press the false nail into place. After the glue is set and the nail is firm, apply your favorite polish. Then presto, beautiful nails. Attractive hands are most essential.
That's all.